Hey everybody, Zen the Geek here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A80. So let's get down to business. Alright, so obviously when you open the box, you'll immediately see the Samsung Galaxy A80 smartphone, and I'm just going to peel that rather quickly. I'm going to talk about these things real quick, so don't mind if I do. This is the new Infinity display. Because there's really no notches, no punch hole display. The cameras are completely in the rear, and it motorizes and flips up in front as your selfie solution. The resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels with a 20:9 aspect ratio, and it's a Super AMOLED capacitive panel. So let's put that aside real quick, and we're going to talk about the rest of the accessories that are in the box. So pulling this out right now, this is Samsung's new 25-watt fast charger. So I'm really digging this because it's one, it's USB-C to C, so I'm expecting quicker charge times compared to the other conventional Samsung adaptive fast chargers, because those are about 15 watts and this is a nice 25 watts. So there are two little pieces of plastic right here that keep certain things. So this is the headphones, which are USB Type-C with a microphone, because the Samsung Galaxy A80 does not come with a 3.5mm jack, and you're not provided with USB Type-C to 3.5mm dongle. You can just use this straight away. It's plug in and play. It's ever so simple. If you have your Bluetooth earphones, good for you. This is the USB Type-C to Type-C cable. So these are really important, so don't lose it, because you know they're expensive. And we're not quite done yet. So at the top part of the box, which is hidden here, you can just pull this out and you'll see the SIM ejector pin. This device does not come with a memory card slot. It has dual standby nano SIMs, and it comes in 128 gig and 8 GB variant. That is in internal storage and RAM respectively. And inside here you can quickly see that your printed materials are here, your warranty card, your quick start guides, etc. There's meant to be a black case in here, but in my review unit there isn't one, but just do expect one. As you can see from the image, the back of the case does not let me get the phone. The back of the case does not block the rear camera's setup, so it does not hinder it from moving its camera module. So I'm just gonna show real quick how this works. Oh, look at that. That is just so cool. One more time. How about that, guys? Can you imagine 48 megapixel selfies? That is amazing. With autofocus, that is also really awesome. One more thing about the display, it's HDR certified. You watch your Netflix, you watch your YouTube, you watch your Nat Geo, it's all gonna look good. This is not a full review, this is just a simple unboxing, but I just really wanted to highlight that. So stay tuned for my full review, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Zen the Geek. Peace out.